Alangan mo ingon kog XY, tiningon na kog Z. Oo. Adira na kadang gi-text ay ang imuha nga ano bato-bato sa ibang fest.
Bati ka mo dire.
Put here later, you check it out. And then lain na yan tanaw. Bubay kayo kuya, balak ka. Bubay kayo. Saling anyway. May lawit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never buy that kind of
Like that.
spoil, you know. You really don't know if it's fresh or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we always.
Alright guys, we're at, what mall is this?
SM Lana.
SM Langa? Lana.
Yeah.
SM Lana. I've been here before. Yeah. Yeah, I've been here before.
One and very nice. Than to SM actually.
Yeah.
It's way better.
Very nice mall here.
Abisa only had a high floor, 9
Very nice mall. A lot of people here. And so we just got back. We got back from Samoa Island. We went to our Airbnb that we have in DAVAO City. We're gonna visit the realtor, maybe see what's going on with our unit because it's supposed to be turning over this year. We're supposed to get the keys to it. But we are renting a Airbnb right in front of our unit, so that's where we're going to be at. Let's walk around the mall.
Yeah, apam spot. Wow. Kaya guwapa sa counter.
I don't know where we're going. We may be going to get something to eat. I don't know. We've been on the road for a long time. All right, guys, for you ladies, this is the one shoe that's very popular here. This right here. This is really nice. This is a very popular shoe. Hey. Very popular shoe here in Philippines. It's very nice, shiny, goes with anything. Here's the plain one here. This is very nice too. But just so I'm giving you heads up. Oh, there we go. So
Birkenstock, but it's
different brand.
no, it's a Birkenstock.
Yeah,
That's
that's original.
4,790. It's a
Right.
rubber.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like 40, 45. Like $45 for the Birkenstock. 2, 4. No, it's more than that. So that's 4,000 pesos. So 2, 3, 4, like $80 something. About $80 for the Birkenstock. All right, guys, let's move on. Oh, you just get a cutting board?
Yeah, I have to bring that one because they leave that outside.
Oh, okay. Oh, because you're gonna start cooking there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, they never keep all the
Okay.
the things, and then if we used to look for it, and it's gone. Okay.
Oh, she's
chicken.
cooking there.
Yeah, that is a secret.
Where? What's the secret?
Pineapple, good. Yeah. What?
Don't tell no one your secret. So what he's doing is they're trying to start their cooking business again. Okay, so he's cooking chicken here on the grill, and then they're gonna have a store right here. They're gonna set up shop right here. set up shop right here and sell some stuff. They got some baby chickens in there. Kuya over here. Park this car. This guy, wow, he's been with us for like 3 days. Literally 3 days. Taking us everywhere we need to go. He was there. He stayed with us the whole time. Oh, and this is a classic store here. Guys, you see this all the time. So we're gonna go through here. The manok.
Yeah.
You might step on the poo.
Yeah, the pancake. Because there was a big, some dog poop over here. It was flattened, so I called it a pancake.
Sometimes,
I smelled garlic. Is it garlic on there? Garlic,
no. Pineapple.
pineapple, and is there any garlic?
Yeah.
You got garlic
With oil.
too? Garlic and oil?
Pineapple juice is
Only pineapple?
yes, the skin. It's very good. Delicious.
Hey. He splashed some water here. There used to be years ago there used to be a soy store right here. Like we would come out of here, and you see this is closed in up here. They used to be opened up, so you can go for it. It used to be open just like that. All this was opened up, and we would come here, and this was a soy store right here. But now it says room for rent. So if anybody's looking for a room to rent, I'll go ahead and put that right there. So I guess let's see what he's doing over here. What is he making? Oh, that's for the dog.
Yeah.
So you're giving these dogs here some rice. Yeah, they're hyped. They're ready to eat. So let's go see what he's doing over here. Okay.
But this brush is sulfate.
Oh, cellophane plastic. Yeah.
Barbecue.
Mm.
Very creative.
The smell makes me full.
Smells good.
I don't have to pay. I don't have to pay for the smell. It's free.
Good.
This is a classic bike right here that they use for transportation. It's a motorcycle with a little side cart. This is an older model. Whose is this? Whose is
Anna,
whose bike?
you get this broke.
It's broke,
Yeah.
not working.
Yeah. Did it
Ah,
rain change?
it needs
Very flat.
it flat. What else? Is the motor?
Yeah, lower changing.
Motor's broke,
Yeah.
so it's not working. Okay.
It's dark.
Yeah. Hmm? What? Your arm is burning, right? That's from the this is from
No,
the sun.
no, it's from the door.
You hit the door? Okay. So I guess he bumped into the door. Let's see. Wow. This used to be a restaurant, believe it or not. I think they used to. Oh, I could be mistaken, but I know they family used to cook, and they were well known for cooking. And I think that was an empty lot or something. I don't know if they like rebuild over there. Not sure. I'm just kind of rumbling right now, guys. It's been a long time since I've been here. Okay, let's go in here. Here we go. He's got the light.
Lại nữa bà không mai.
Vâng.
Còn cùng đâu bà?
Okay, motorcycle coming through. Watch out for the pancake.
Pineapple and then oil, small.
Pineapple and a small
Oil.
bit of oil. And he's just rubbing that.
Good test.
I'm gonna try that at home. When I go home, back to the States,
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that.
Change it.
Okay.
Salt and pineapple sauce.
Salt,
Put to the
and is there any pepper?
No have
No.
pepper.
Okay, so
Salt.
salt.
And pineapple.
Okay, salt, and
Small-
then oil and
Small oil.
oil and
Olive oil.
the
Olive oil.
tang.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any water in there? Is too big in there? Look at that. Looking hot. I mean, me personally, I would have like a cool side and a hot side. Is there any is there any water in there? Too big in there too?
This is the water?
Yeah, is
Yeah,
there- is
water.
water too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Water, hot water.
Okay.
I have no brush,
So you just use the cellophane.
paper, plastic.
Plastic, use the plastic to make a brush. So that's what he's doing, using plastic. Doing whatever he can.
Good. Very crisp.
Yeah.
I smell.
You have to get the smell, you have to get it out there. Get it to the customer.
Customer is coming.
Let the customer smell.
The grandma, I make a barbecue.
Oh, yeah.
And then she, how much your barbecue? I pay. No.
No.
That is a eat only.
Yeah.
Siya, oh, I want to buy. She said, no. It's only eat. I get a chair.
Mm. Let me go inside and see what they're doing in here. Okay, we're gonna go out here and check on the food. I'm curious to see this whole process of them setting up shop.